Can't bevel your saw blade? Then you might need a new bevel handle. The bevel handle attaches to the bevel lock on your table saw. It allows you to engage and release the bevel lock. The bevel handle can be broken off if it is struck by a board or something hits against it during transport. The inner hub on the handle is notched to engage with the head of a bolt. After years of use, the notches may wear away, causing the handle to slip. Replacing the bevel handle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the blade height adjustment handle. It's held in place by a nut. Now I can remove the bevel lock handle, and it's held in place with a screw. I'll slide the new bevel lock handle over the nut and secure it with the screw. And now I can reinstall the blade height handle. I'll replace the washer and secure it with the nut.